Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will explore about the hybrid energy system, one of the most effective and innovative way to combine the renewable energy sources for a reliable and sustainable power. This topic is a part of our renewable energy system, and it's about how we can balance the clean energy with consistent supply. Let's get started into the topic. So this is the table of content and the topics we are going to discuss in our video. To understand the hybrid systems, let's quickly recap what we know about the energy sources. Traditional sources like coal, oil, and natural gases have powered us for the decades. They are reliable but limited and harmful to the environment. Renewable options like solar, wind, and hydro are clean, but their biggest challenge is variability. The sun does not always shine, and the wind does not always blow. The key challenge is finding the perfect balance between the reliability and sustainability. That exactly where this hybrid energy system comes in. Imagine drawing a mind map with the word hybrid energy at the center. Around it, you had connect the solar, wind, hydro, battery storage, and smart management. These connections shows how different energy sources can work together and which supporting the homes, cities, and even the industries. While reducing our environmental footprints, it's creative way to visualize how an integrated energy systems can power our future. Next is the global demand for energy, which keeps rising every single day, but our natural resources are depleting. At the same time, renewable energy alone cannot always meet the demand due to the weather fluctuations. Peak usage hours also put the pressure on single source systems. So the question becomes, how can we ensure the stable power even when condition changes? The answer lies in combining the different sources intelligently. So that's the hybrid approach. Next is let's look at our important components of the hybrid system. First, the solar power captures the sunlight using the photovoltaic panel, which is the excellent during the day but less effective when it is cloudy. Next is the wind energy. Here, the turbine converts the air movements into electricity, which often the stronger at night and during certain seasons. Then the hydropower, it provides steady energy from the flowing water but depends on the rainfall and the water availability. Finally, for the battery storage, it is the key to consistency. Battery stores the extra power generated during the peak hours and release it when production drops. Together, these technologies complement one another perfectly. So, designing a hybrid system starts with the brainstorming. Which source works best together? For example, solar energy performs best during the day, while the wind energy often peaks at night. And the battery fills in the gap when neither in the strong. So the goal is to combine the strengths and the balance output to maintain a steady flow of power, irrespective of weather or the times. This smart balance is what makes the hybrid systems so effective and dependable. Here it is that is how it works in the practice. In the step one, the multiple sources like solar, wind, and hydro generates the electricity simultaneously. In the step two, a smart controller which manages how this power flows and gets distributed. In the step three, any excess energies goes into the battery storages. In step four, when the energy that is when the generated energy is dips, the stored power is released automatically. And in the step 5, consumer receives continuous electricity. This seamless coordination ensure around the clock energies, which will be more cleaner, smarter, and also more reliable than a single sources can do. Before hybrid energy are deployed on a large scale, engineers built the prototype to test them in the real world conditions. So they measures how well the system performs in different weather patterns and also monitor the battery charges. Charging as well as discharging cycles and also tracking the overall efficiency. User feedback is also collected to access the reliability and cost effectiveness. All these data helps for the fine tuning the design of the system and also ensuring the system which can able to handle various environments before the large scale installation. Now, let's look at some results from the real hybrid energy projects. They have been shown that 85% reductions in carbon emissions compared to the traditional systems, and also around 60% cost saving over the system's lifetime, and as much as 99% reliability with the proper design and the management. These numbers prove that hybrid systems are not just the eco-friendly, they are also economically smarter and technically sounder one. So let's recap our takeaways. Hybrid energy, which means combining the multiple sources like solar, wind, hydro, and battery storage to overcome each source's limitations. With smart energy management, power generation, storage, as well as the distributions are balanced automatically, and ultimately, the hybrid energy gives the way towards a sustainable, cost effective, as well as the reliable energy for the future communities. This is how we can truly power the planet cleanly and effectively.